If you want to swim faster, I believe that the most important thing is perfecting your swimming technique, but having strong muscles also helps. Welcome to our workout videos. On this video, we will go over 25 gym exercises to help you gain muscle and swim faster. You can add these to your weekly routine so you can improve your swimming. You can download the free PDF guide through the link in the description below, where you will find instructions on the number of repetitions and number of sets. If you want the workout guide in Korean, please message us on facebook.com/skillsandtalents. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, be sure to be subscribed and ring the bell icon. One of the most used and essential muscle groups in swimming are the core muscles. So we will go over 8 different core exercises. Cable Russian twists. This is an excellent exercise for your whole core, but mainly internal and external obliques. Flutter kicks. This works on your rectus abdominis, the front shed of your abs, otherwise known as six-pack, and also the hip flexors. Modified V-up. This will work on your entire core, but mainly abs. Russian twists. With this exercise, you will feel your obliques burning. Hollow rock. This is to stabilize your core muscles. This is very close to a streamlined position. Back up or Superman. This works mainly on your lower back. Weighted sit-up with arms up. This will work your whole core, including hip flexors and abs. Knee raises. On this exercise, you will work on your core plus your forearms. Another very used group muscles are the shoulders. You will want to strengthen them to prevent injuries in addition of the benefit of swimming faster. We will go over 3 exercises that all work on different parts of the deltoids. Lateral flies. Use light weight on these ones and do them in a controlled manner. Front flies. Use the same light weights on this one as you did on the lateral. Arnold press. This is an excellent exercise for most of the shoulder. Don't forget to twist and squeeze while going up. Back flies. These will work on your posterior deltoid. To complement the shoulders, we need strong biceps, triceps, chest, and traps. Bicep curls. The biceps are small muscles, but there are intense ways to work them out. Check out the PDF guide for more. Tricep extensions. Make sure you're getting the full range of motion on these. Chest flies. For these, use weight that you can handle. Push-ups. There are many ways of doing push-ups. Try changing them up to work different parts of your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Shrugs. These will work on your traps quite nicely. If you want to pull water easier, you need stronger back muscles. Pull-ups. This is an excellent option to strengthen your lats and shoulders as well as the forearms. Standing lat pushdowns. This is a very similar movement to the butterfly stroke movement. Do this to strengthen your back muscles. Dumbbell rows. These will strengthen your scapular muscles, which are very important to balance all the front of the body exercises that we normally do. The more balanced you are, the less shoulder injuries you will get. Last but not least, the legs. These are obviously an important part of any stroke, and you need strong legs to get the propulsion you want. Dumbbell squats. These are excellent to strengthen your glutes and quad. You need good form for these, so I'll put a link in the description to help you with these. But the most important part is to keep the entire foot on the ground throughout the squat. Keep your back straight and make sure your knees don't bend inwards. Dumbbell lunges. These are difficult but effective at working many parts of your legs. One leg dumbbell deadlifts. These will work on your coordination, stabilization, and your hamstrings. While sit. Bend your knees at 90-degree angle and just lean with your hips against the wall. You will feel the burn on your quads after a few seconds. Remember, if you want to download a free PDF workout of these exercises, so you know how often to do them and how many reps to do, check out the link in the description below. There, you will find other free workouts. Also, if you want to check out our swim cap designs and other cool merch, go to skillswimming.com. Thanks for watching. See you next Friday. Plava Bestra!